After installing a brand new timing chain, timing cover, and water pump on my 97 Grand Cherokee Laredo Sport with the 5.2 liter V8 engine. In this video, I'll go ahead and show you how to get your harmonic balancer reinstalled, as well as some tips and tricks I picked up along the way. So let me bring you down here. I've gone ahead and pressed on our front main seal. I had two of them and I bent the first one. That was a big pain to get done. But now we have our front main seal on, ready for our harmonic balancer installation. As per the Haynes manual, they state if there is grooving on the balancer where it makes contact with our seal, which there is, you should go ahead and get a press sleeve to put over your harmonic balancer so that surface is smooth and good for a tight fit with the front main seal again. So I can't just easily put this on, but I do want this to be on before we put our harmonic balancer on. So I'm going to use the trick that I used yesterday for our crank sprocket. And I'm going to heat this up quite a bit, and then we should be able to simply slide it over our harmonic balancer and make it just like new. Okay, this should be plenty hot. Okay, it's a little too hot. Okay, my glove is actually melting onto my hands. Okay, well, it definitely got hot. Let me keep it warm. I'm going to find a good way to press this on before we go ahead with installing our harmonic balancer. This should be plenty good to go. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. We'll let it cool down. We've successfully put our new sleeve on our harmonic balancer so it has a nice fresh seal with our new front main seal. And now for the installation of our harmonic balancer. So we had to use a special pull tool to remove it, and as you would expect, we also have to use a special installation tool to install it. I went to AutoZone yesterday and picked up their harmonic balancer installer tool. So first, what you're going to do, we have our shaft here with our crankshaft adapter. So we put our crankshaft adapter on this tool here, like so. And we're going to thread this whole thing. Let's find the threads. Perfect. And thread this whole thing into our crank. Next, what we're going to do is get our harmonic balancer. We're going to put this over, line it up with the keyway in there. There it goes, right there. I've got it on the keyway. And now what we're going to do is get the other part of our tool. There is this bearing that'll go on the outside. And now we have this large nut. We're going to get snug all the way. And now let me grab a wrench that is of size. I'm just going to get a good old pipe wrench. And we're just going to crank this down. There we go. I mean, it looks bottomed out to me. Let's back this off. I'm calling that good. Okay. And now let's crack this. Then we just got to put our bolt on, which I have right here. I'm not going to install it just yet, but I want to see. I got to clean it, but I think this looks good to me and happy. I just want it to be snug for right this second. Yep. So now we've got our harmonic balancer installed. I'm going to torque that down and clean up a bit and get more stuff back on this engine today. We've got our pulley on our harmonic balancer. That is done. I just got another Rock Auto shipment in, and as you might see in the back there, I had already taken off the old distributor cap just a couple of days ago, and seeing how it was kind of tarnished just a little bit, I went ahead, got a new rotor and a new cap, which we will be placing. How does it sit? Perfect. Just like that.
Holy crap, did we get it?
Yep. Be sure to tune into the next video as I'll be installing brand new head gaskets, resurfaced heads, brand new push rods, and a fully cleaned up valve train onto the top end of this 5.2 liter V8 engine. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.